if a car from the golden age of motoring could return, not as a museum piece, but as a machine built for today's roads? This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz W180 Coupe, and it's unlike anything else. A deep metallic burgundy masterpiece that blends classic craftsmanship with modern engineering. It doesn't just revive history, it refines it. And trust me, by the end of this video, you might start questioning everything you thought you knew about classic cars. One look at the front, and you instantly recognize the heritage. The upright chrome grille stands tall and proud, crowned by the legendary three-pointed star. It's bold, elegant, and unmistakably Mercedes. But look closer. The round headlights, once simple and soft, now feature modern LED projectors with a crisp, icy white glow. They retain their vintage shape, but now feel sharper and more precise. The chrome bumper remains, polished to perfection, but it now sits slightly lower, giving the car a more planted stance. Subtle red accent detailing along the lower edge adds just a hint of aggression, like a tailored suit hiding a powerful athlete underneath. And that paint, a deep metallic burgundy finish, rich and reflective, shifting beautifully under sunlight. It's not loud, but it commands attention in a way only true luxury can. From the side, the W180's iconic ponton-inspired silhouette flows effortlessly. Smooth, uninterrupted lines define the body, preserving that timeless 1950s elegance. But this isn't your grandfather's coupe anymore. The stance is lower, wider, and more assertive. It hugs the road with confidence. The wheels are a standout upgrade, black multi-spoke alloys with a performance-focused design wrapped in low-profile tires. Behind them, red brake calipers quietly hint at serious stopping power. A thin red accent strip runs subtly along the lower body, tying the entire design together. It's minimal, but it adds a modern signature that separates this build from a traditional restoration. At the rear, the transformation becomes even more striking. The rounded trunk and soft curves remain faithful to the original design, maintaining that classic charm. But now, you get sleek LED taillights with a clean, modern light signature. They're slim, precise, and perfectly integrated into the vintage form. Down below, things get serious. Quad exhaust tips replace the old single setup, instantly giving the car a performance identity. Combined with a subtly redesigned lower diffuser and red accent highlights, the rear feels both elegant and aggressive. It's rare to see a car balance nostalgia and modern performance this well, but this one nails it. Step inside, and the transformation is nothing short of breathtaking. The cabin is wrapped in luxurious cream leather upholstery, quilted and stitched with precision. It feels warm, inviting, and undeniably premium. Across the dashboard, rich polished wood trim stretches from door to door, bringing that unmistakable vintage Mercedes atmosphere. It's craftsmanship you can see and feel. But then, the modern world quietly steps in. A digital instrument cluster, designed to mimic classic analog dials, sits behind the wheel, blending nostalgia with technology seamlessly. The infotainment system is clean and subtly integrated, avoiding that overly futuristic look. It's functional, but never distracting. And the steering wheel? A modern multifunction design, wrapped in leather, replacing the thin vintage rim. It gives you control, comfort, and confidence behind the wheel. Now let's talk about what really transforms this car. The original W180 Coupe came with a modest 2.2-liter inline-six, producing around 100 horsepower. Charming, yes, but not exactly thrilling by today's standards. This 2026 reinterpretation is a completely different story. Under the hood, you're likely looking at a modern turbocharged inline-six or V6 engine, delivering anywhere between 250 to 400 horsepower. Power is sent to the rear wheels, staying true to its heritage, but now paired with a modern automatic transmission for smoother, more responsive driving. The result? A car that looks like it belongs in the 1950s, but drives like it belongs in 2026. It's faster, more stable, and far more engaging, without losing its soul. Let's be honest, this isn't a car for everyone. Because this isn't mass-produced. This is bespoke craftsmanship. A build like this would likely cost anywhere between $120,000 to $250,000 plus, depending on customization. That's roughly 2 to 4 billion Indonesian rupiah. Why so expensive? Because you're not just buying a car. You're buying history, artistry, and exclusivity in one package. Each unit would likely be built to order, possibly even as a one-off commission. No assembly lines. No mass production. Just pure automotive passion. So here's the question. Would you choose something like this over a brand new luxury car filled with screens and software? Because the 2026 Mercedes-Benz W180 Coupe proves something important. True design doesn't age, it evolves. This car doesn't erase its past. It celebrates it while quietly stepping into the future. And honestly, if this is where classic cars are heading, the future of automotive design just got a whole lot more exciting. If you enjoyed this deep dive into modern classics, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and tell me in the comments. Would you drive this masterpiece?